Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be creating two notes with products from Scrap Diva Design's latest release. And I started off by creating all of these embellishments. I might have shown this in a previous video how I create them, so I will have a link up in the right corner if I did so. I also off camera, or no I didn't, I showed you here, I had some footage of how I created this super cute little heart bottle shaker, and it's like a love potion shaker die sets, and I filled it with a ton of goodies. I had some pattern paper to the back, and I had some foam adhesive strips that I placed around the edges, and then I captured all of the goodiness inside of this bottle. I tried to the best of my ability to line everything up, and I will also have a gold lid here, super cute. And then I will have some hearts. This is actually a tag that said love potion, and I decided to poke a deeper hole into the other one so I could have them maybe hanging later on, and I just wanted to make sure that I had that hole if I wanted to do that later on. I didn't end up doing that, I just used some adhesive. For the envelope itself I used some double-sided papers. I looked through my stash and I found this beautiful pattern paper with a ton of flowers, and I just creased all the sides except one, the one I will have at the top, because I want these to be opened. You can close them if you like, but I wanted them to be open, so I was thinking of closing it, but I decided against it. I took that inner piece and I cut it out of some cream colored cardstock, and then I just cut the flip of it off. And I also created some sentiments. You can see the set I showed here was from the set called Gift Card Pocket, and it's a beautiful one that says beautiful, and it's just an angle, and I just love that. And the one I'm assembling right now is from the Valentine word dies number 3, and I will be using that in upcoming videos as well. It's one of my favorites. It has two shadow pieces, one with the stitching, the one I'm using here, and then one more, so it's really beautiful. And by the way, I'm using matte gold cardstock from Altenew when I'm creating here today, and I'm just adhering these, and the glue I'm using is from Nuvo, and I'm just using a glue gun from my Sweet Petunia, and it's just perfect when you're creating like this. I put some double-sided foam adhesive to the back of the sentiment, and then I had it to the front of my envelope. And you can see I did also one of the embellishment parts that you can have at the top, and I just attached that. You can see the cute row of hearts there, and that's the one that's gonna make this card slide inside and out. There is also this beautiful doily shape with the hearts around it, and I had it to the back that coordinates with this beautiful little potion. I had one of my little heart cherries and an arrow that I cut, and that little love label. I will embellishment this a little bit further in the end of this video. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have too much dimension on the products here, so I could slide it inside of this envelope. So I'm creating the envelope, the second one, in the same way. And I thought I was going to use that harp with a beautiful rainbow paper to the back, but you will see I will go in a totally different direction. I'm just looking at the pattern paper here. Which colors are these? And I decided I cannot have this bright card inside because it doesn't match at all. So at this point I'm still thinking I'm gonna use it, and I am creating that little top part. I used the leftovers from the scraps from the pattern paper that I used for the envelope to coordinate. And then I decided to go with green instead. So you can see this green coordinates a lot better with the pattern paper than the other one did. I'm using gold also to tie it in with the sentiment that I have on the front. And then I will attach all of this. I used a lot of glue just to make sure that it's not going anywhere. And then I pressed it in place. I will have this attached as well to our card. And then I will have this raised up as well with some foam on the top of our card. You can see here how cute that is when it slides in and out. And of course I was a little bit cray-cray, so I cut gold paper so I can have it on the heart as well. And then I wanted something to the lower part here. And I thought the cherry hearts were so cute, but I wanted it to match with our papers, and this cream colored cardstock is perfect, and I decided to go with the outer line. And then I looked through my stash and found some small sentiments, and this said loved, and I just put it on top. And the gold that was on the inside, I decided it was too much pink, so I wanted some gold to the hearts as well. And then I found some more of these, and I just decorated our card a little bit more with those cut and stamped and everything small sentiments. So that finished off our project for today. I hope you enjoyed this. You can write a message at the back of this to the recipient. And once more, I think my kids are going to get a lot of these this year, and yeah, they will be excited. I love this little shaker and how it turned out, and you can write your message at the back. And these cute small notes are perfect for putting in Sweden. We don't have lunch boxes because they get food for free in school, but we could have like a snack for when they are going on a tour or something like that. So that would be perfect to put in those, and I think that would be super cute. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I will have close-up of my projects now, and I will also have links down below in the description box if you like to check anything out, and also my coupon code is available there. Thank you and bye!